Hello, hello. Good morning, everybody. It is a chilly one here in Colorado, mid-November. You can see I got the beanie on because the air temperature is hovering in the low to mid-30s right now. It's going to warm up and get up to the mid-50s today, but I'm not one to start late in the day. I'm a morning person, so I go out no matter how cold it is. So might be a while before I get a bite, if I get a bite at all. We'll see. I'm at a small pond here at a state park. So yeah, like I said, cold November fishing. Let's see what we can do. I'm just going to start off slow rolling a spinnerbait, even though it's not necessarily spinnerbait conditions, but it's just a spot where I've had a lot of luck with a white spinnerbait over the years. So we're just going to throw it around for a little bit before we start slowing down, throwing more traditional winter baits, which I don't even know what those are. I don't know why I said that. Oh, fishing right into the sun. Can't see what the heck I'm throwing at. I'm sure it looks awesome on video. Oh, did I get one? Holy crap, I got one. Wow, okay. I did not expect one that early. Nice. Pretty good one too. Oh, yes. Nice. Heck yeah. That is what I'm talking about. Come here. I don't think he's gonna call my 18 that I need to get rid of for the James Leggett online tourney, but let's throw him on the board just to see. Take a look at you first. Yeah, it's a nice fish. Yeah, no, I know, it's cold. I'll get you back in there soon. Yeah, it's 16 and a half. Didn't think so. It's alright, you get out of here. Nice. Yeah, well, let's do some more blind casting into the sun at the bank. See if we can get another one. Oh, I cannot see crap up there. And as I was saying on that one bit, I'm sure it looks terrible on film too. Film, listen to me, old guy. What's going on? My spinnerbait feels weird. What's it doing? It's running okay. Alright, got another one right up shallow. Kind of surprising with how cold it is, but I am glad for it. Oh, yes, another good one. Oh yeah, yeah, buddy. Might be close to 18, huh? Trailer hook doing work. Nah, he's not gonna be 18, but it's a nice one. There we go. Another 16 and a half. Okay. Don't do that. Alright, buddy. That is a pretty good sign, because this place where I'm at, usually I don't do too well super early in the morning. It usually takes them a while to wake up here. But like I said in the intro, I'm a morning person. I don't like going out late morning. I just like getting up and going out at sunrise either way, no matter what the temperature is. And didn't really expect a whole lot out of this place this early because of that. Traditionally, I haven't done well early here, but this is a pretty good sign. I'm liking this. Might turn out to be a decent day. I honestly did not have a whole lot of expectations going into the day. It's just mainly just getting out on the water as much as I can these last few weeks before ice comes. A few weeks from now, this place is probably going to have a nice thin layer of ice on it, and then the depression sets in. Not really, but you know. I really did not expect a whole lot. I figured I'd come out, put in some time. This place has some big ones. Maybe get rid of my 18 and a half for the James Leggett online tournament. So we'll see. Could turn out to be a decent day. Alright, I'm feeling like if I slow roll this spinnerbait across the front of those rocks, I'm going to try to call my shot here. Say there's one right there. Nope. Little guy. Little non-scoreable. Three fish in November a day though, that's not bad, especially this early in the morning. Not bad at all. We're about an hour in, 3 fish, so really not bad at all for mid-November in Colorado. So far I've just been slow rolling this spinnerbait around. It's been working, so no reason to switch it up, but I will here pretty soon. Slow down. I've had pretty good luck at this place in the past with a Texas rig and a chigger craw, so I'm gonna try that in a bit. I haven't even gotten to my spot where I've had the most luck in the past. I'm still working my way over there, so no reason to be in a rush. Lazy Sunday. Finally warmed up a little. I mean, I can still see my breath, but had to shed my hoodie. Oh Jesus, what was that? That was embarrassing. Alright, finally gonna change it up a little bit, put down the spinnerbait, slow down a little bit with the Texas rig. Chigger craw, of course. Berkeley power bait chigger craw is my Texas rig bait of choice. I'm sure there are other ones that work great, but I have caught roughly 4 million fish on this, give or take. That might be a slight exaggeration, but I've caught a ton of fish on a Berkeley chigger craw, so I'm sticking with it. Still running this same Trokar TK105 my buddy Eric hooked me up with. Actually, this is the same one I've been running since Kansas. Finally ordered some. They should be coming in any day. Yeah, I'm digging it. Got a good one. I think we got a good one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Oh, stay on, big fella. Stay on. Yes. Oh, hell yeah. Nice. I don't know if he's gonna break 18, but a decent one. Let's check him out. You gonna give us anything? Oh, just shy of 18. 17 and a half. Still a nice one. Let's get us an Instagram video. Right? Gotta do that, right? Alrighty, that is 4. Not bad at all. Way more than I was expecting, TBH. I might actually have enough footage for a video, so you might actually be watching this, instead of me just talking to myself out here. Last 2 times I went out, a couple weeks ago, one time I only caught 1, another time I skunked. And I know, some people say, hey, make a video anyway, show the skunks. I don't know, I just didn't have enough good footage. I'm sure there's something to be learned from the skunk videos too, but I don't know. I just did not have enough footage to make it interesting, so that's why it's been a while since I put out a video, because it's that time of year when it's just tough to catch them. So far, of the 4 that I've caught, 3 of them, the 3 bigger ones, I have not even felt the bite. The little one I felt the bite, but the bigger ones, it's just one of those things where all of a sudden it's just heavy and they're there, which I guess makes sense for cold weather bass fishing. I guess they're just lethargic, just not really hammering it, as we say. That's okay. This time of year, I will take them anytime, any way I can get them, because it is going to be over for the season pretty soon. For us in Colorado, at least. Pretty soon it's going to be time to put on the Kayak boots, the Canadian boots. Get out there on the hard water and drill some holes and catch stupid ass trout. Better than nothing during the winter, though. I'm not an ice fishing aficionado, but I do it a couple times a year just to feel that tug, get my fix. I would much rather be out here on the kayak in the water, though, even if it is 35 degrees out. Or actually, it's probably up in the mid-40s by now. It's getting better. Not even sure what the water temp is. Haven't even bothered with the electronics yet. I put them on the kayak, but have not turned them on yet. Small enough place here, they're not really necessary, even though if nothing else, I should be practicing with it, because I am not an electronics guy. It's definitely a blind spot in my game, or a shortcoming of mine, something I need to work on. Been out a couple times with my buddy Jimmy Straws. He's helped me out with it. He's a master with the electronics, and he's given me some tips. You know, I'm just running this little, whatever, $300, $400 unit. I'm not even sure how much it cost new. I bought it used for $250 from my buddy Corey Doyle when I first got the kayak. It was actually before I knew him, before I was even in the club. So yeah, it's not even like I have high-end electronics to work with. So that whole forward-facing sonar argument, drama, whatever you want to call it, I mean, that has more to do with watching pro fishing on TV. That's the argument against it in that regard. But you know, people say, what is it, you're scoping or you're hoping. It hasn't been the case for me. I've been doing okay without it, and that's not necessarily by choice. Sure, I would get it if I could, but I'm not a rich man. I don't have a ton of money, and I don't like carrying credit card debt. So live scope is not in my immediate future. If I got a couple extra $1,000, I'm getting a new kayak or a motor. I got a few $1,000 to spend on other more important things before I even think about getting live scope, or even an upgraded unit. You know, I wouldn't mind getting like the Garmin 90 something SV or whatever, 93 I think it is. I wouldn't mind getting something like that even, but again, I got other things I need to buy before that, and electronics just are not high on my priority list. It's not my style of fishing. I'm sure it'll catch up with me one of these days and bite me in the butt, but I've been doing okay without it so far.